If you pick the wrong car, you really, I was talking to Joe over here the other day, or just a minute ago. People love 89 IROCs or 88 Camaros, right? They love those. See, right now, they love those Camaros right now. The one you go pick out, make sure that's a really good project car to start off with, because if you find one, it's only $3,000, but you got all this framework that you got to do. Now it's gonna. But if you pick a better one that's maybe $5,000, that you don't have to do as much body work into, you don't have to get as many harnesses. Maybe the motor's better.
It gets crazy expensive.
It does. It gets so crazy expensive because everybody looks at that initial price of buying that project, versus looking at what you're starting with.
Is it a roller? Is it a runner? If it's a roller, how easy is it going to be to get the parts you need to make it a runner? I mean, because that's your first goal, is to get the thing running. Once you get it running, you're all in. You're just going to keep throwing the bank at it, because now I'm excited. Now I've got the smell of gas and oil dripping, and I'm hot, you know?
You had a guy, it was a family car, though. It was that blue Corvette.
Yeah.
And
77 Chevy Corvette, 25,000 original miles.
But the family got it from somebody who had started a restoration.
Yeah.
And they brought it to you thinking it was only going to cost so much money.
Yeah.
And you really opened their eyes.
Well, they took.
So what did you see?
They took it to a shop. They were from in Orlando, and they brought it to a shop, word of mouth, vet doctor out this way, something. And he had it in his shop for 3 years. He billed them $12,000 and hadn't done anything quality. The owner came out, saw it. He was unhappy. He came down around the corner. He knew we were there before he even went there, and he came and he said, "Look, have you got room for this car? I want to throw it out now. I'm pissed." So he brought it to us. They had it for 3 years, $12,000, and T-tops, white interior. They left the windows down, T-tops off in a shop for 3 years.
That's great.
I'm telling you, it destroyed the interior on this car, Joe. So we brought it in. We got the thing running, driving, AC working, everything done, built out, repainted a lot of areas that were flawed out, matched the paint from a 77, 100% right out the door. We did it for about $12,500 in 3 months. Wow. And that's getting somebody back.
But he thought initially it was going to be like $5,000.
He did.
That's what he thought.
This is a 77 Corvette. It's worth 15 max. He's already 24 into it.
Yeah, he's into it quite a bit.
Plus, they bought it for $10,000.
See, now, well, that was a little bit different. That was a family.
It was.
Family car.
It was.
But had somebody bought that, thinking, it just needs a little bit. So do your research.
Right.
Pick the right car.